Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, spring rolls, samosa and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are preparing an egg, canned beef and pasta mix. The ingredients include 3 cups of twisted pasta, 2 hungry man size indomie, spring onions, 1 small cabbage, green bell pepper, 2 carrots, 2 red onions, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of canned beef, 3 tablespoons of powdered pepper, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 sachets of indomie seasoning powder, 3 tablespoons of powdered salt. Let's get started. Pour 2 cups of water into a saucepan and let it slightly boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add in the pasta and 2 tablespoons of the salt. Stir the pasta with the salt and the water. Cover it up and bring it to a boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. When the pasta cooks for 15 minutes, add in the indomie and let it continue cooking with the pasta. Pour the pasta and the indomie into a colander on top of a bowl to drain it off the water used to cook it. Now pour in 2 cups of water onto the pasta and indomie to halt the cooking process, because although it has been taken off the sauce of meat, it still cooks on its own. So it is best to halt the cooking process immediately after it is drained. Let's prep the vegetables. After chopping your carrots, spring onions, cabbage and green bell pepper, pour it into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and some water to it. Peel the red onions and slice them into the bowl containing the veggies. Now wash the veggies thoroughly and fetch it into another colander to drain it off the water. Let's make the pasta mix. Pour 1 cup of the oil into a frying pan bigger enough to fry and contain the pasta and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Crack the eggs and add it to the simmering oil. Now add in the veggies and stir it together with the eggs. And let it fry a little until all the water in the frying pan is drained. Now add in the pasta and indomie mix. And mix everything together with the aid of 2 wooden ladles. Now add in the indomie seasoning powder and combine it with the pasta and the veggies. Add in the canned beef, the powdered pepper, mix everything together. Let's serve the pasta mix. Serve the pasta mix on a plate and enjoy. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Make it a point to watch my videos this and every Thursday for wholesome content, amazing recipes that you can try out with your friends and family. I would like to use this opportunity to welcome you to the channel if this is your first time ever watching my video, and thank you for watching it till now. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. God bless you.